Hello, good morning. Welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Monday, and if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, my love. Today is 22nd of December, and this is Vlogmas week 4, and also the last Vlogmas for the year. And the rest is not going to be titled Vlogmas. So, welcome back to the vlogs, my loves. Today's agenda. Today's maintenance day, and I'm going to do my nails and my hair, and also have outfits that I want to like amend, so we're going to do my hair, my nails, and amend clothes. I also want to buy my face soap. I don't know if I can actually do that. Hopefully, I can do that. Fingers crossed. If I do that, I'll be so excited also. And I'm planning on using this box to travel. I don't know if it's too big. This is the only small box I actually have that can contain the outfits I want to carry. And I don't have all these small box or all these small bags that I can use to carry. So we're going to be packing our clothes right now. I'm just going to bring out the clothes and lay them out on the bed so that when I come back from my maintenance, I'll just fold them into the box. Yeah, that's what I plan to do. I'm going to be staying for approximately 2 to 3 weeks, I guess. Because from now to January is almost about 3 weeks, 2026. I'm so excited for 2026. I hope you guys are excited for 2026 like I am. So let's arrange and organize. Just lay them on the box, not like really arrange. When I come back, I'm going to arrange them. I'll be needing hoodie because it's going to be cold, very cold in the village. So I look you want to like test all my outfits, like wear like, oh, pair them, this top is going to go for this trouser, this top is going to go for this pants is going to go for this thing, because I normally do that. It makes it easier for me and not to pack excess. I don't know if I should do that too, like pair all the outfits together so I'll know what I'm wearing and what I need and what I actually don't need. So I think we're going to be doing that too, but I don't know if I should wear them because I already know the fitting of my outfits in my head. So I'll just pair my outfits and know what is going with what and what is not going with what. So I don't overpack because this box looks big but it's actually very tiny. And I've not even like put my shoes. Like I need to carry at least 3 shoes and 2 flats. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm done. I think this will be better. This is enough. I'm thinking of carrying this thing. I hope I'm not overpacking. I feel like I'm overpacking. I have one bed sheet in my room. I can't really remember. Yes, I think I have a bed sheet in my room. But I'll be carrying my neat bed sheet from my house here because obviously the one in the room in the village is going to be probably dusty and I'll need to wash it. And I need to like lay a bed sheet down while I'm washing that one. So I think I'm going to take one of this my bed sheet and I think we're done. Okay, let's go to jewelry. This is my normal jewelry bag at home here. I need to buy a jewelry box, and this is the one I'm going to be traveling with. There's something I'm going to do in 2026. I'm going to be buying more of gold jewelry. This is going to be my staple jewelry till it gets tired of me. I have mostly silver jewelry, as you can see here. But this is another good one I have, but it has issue, and I don't know where I can like repair it. It's a smiley face jewelry. I don't know where I can repair, so I'm not going to be taking this one. I'm going to just be taking one necklace. I think I don't have to carry both of them to reduce like load. I'm going to just mix them inside here. But for my muse, I'll be taking my muse because obviously I can't mix this. So yeah, this is my guys. Next year I want to start doing makeup. This is my eyeshadow panel, whatever it's called, that my cousin bought for me, and I've not really used. So I guess we're going to start using it from December, from when I travel. So yeah, I'm going to package this now into the. I'm done packing. I'm about to sleep. So I got my soap. I hope this is the original. I can't even detect which one is original, which one is fake, I guess. So guys, I did another bunch of declutter. These clothes are clothes that I actually did not wear at all the whole of 2025. Most of them I just wore them once, and I realized that I don't actually need them at all. So I might be taking it to the village. I don't know if I should take it to the village. There are some clothes that will fit some of my friends. That's why I'm thinking of leaving it and not taking it to the village yet. Maybe when I come back, because I'm going to come back in between with my mom to pick up something. Thinking of by then I must have selected what I want to give my friends and what I want to take to the villa. So yeah, we have a full big bag of clothes that won't be wearing in 2026. Today is Tuesday and I'm done preparing. I'm packing my things. I'm about to start leaving to the villa, and I'm still contemplating on the outfit to wear. I don't know if I should wear this flay pants or my cargo pants. I don't actually know what to wear, but I want to wear an outfit that is very, very comfortable. I don't know what to wear. So I just came to tell you guys that, and I'm going to chill small. I just had my bath and wore this clothes. I want to just rest before I start going. I think this is 10 and I want to be going by 11 so that so that I can like skip and pass the traffic. Yeah. So my bag is ready. Everything else is ready. Just for me to dress up and go to the Swawa. I had to say I braided my hair yesterday. Like I braided all back yesterday, but I could not vlog because the salon I went to, I normally go to, was so crowded because it was season. So I could not really vlog yesterday, but I did my hair and I did my nails. I actually did the square nails because I've always been doing the oval shape, and I said let me try this because I don't want to do a long nails because of I'm going to do a lot of activities like cooking and stuff. So I decided to do this square nails. I'm not really a fan of these square nails. I feel like the other one fits my nails more than this, but it's actually still cute. Today is 24th of December, and this morning we're going to be going to the market. We want to get something, so we'll be going to town today. I could not vlog yesterday because I came back and I was doing serious cleanup. I was very, very, very tired, so I could not do anything. So yeah, okay. Move by wig so that I can tie scalp because of we're entering the market. I'm so hot. I'm so hot. So hot. Tired. guys, good morning. Today is 26th, which is Friday. Yesterday, God, I did not vlog yesterday, guys. Yesterday was so busy, like the cooking, the serving people, and the rest. I could not even vlog. I was just so tired and stressed, and I was like, I'm going to give you guys a full village experience. Like, we're going to go to places, so you see places like the stream. We'll see the Christmas lights that how some houses like pulled up, and masquerade. Obviously, we're going to go for the masquerade festival too. And yeah, I didn't really vlog, but like from the next vlog, we are going to be very active because you know how Christmas used to be, especially if you are the only one at home, like the only girl that will actually like do the cooking and the rest. So we are done with that now. So our next vlog is going to be very active. I'm going to go about showing my cousins, my family, my friends. Yeah, I just what did I even do today? I just washed. I washed and guess what? Stranger Things, the last part of volume 2 for season 5 is out. It came out by 2 a.m. I was refreshing the Netflix app like very well. I didn't even know that like there was a specific time it was going to come out, or like maybe by 12 p.m., 12 a.m. of 25th is going to like come out. It didn't even come out. I think it's because of the different time zone. So I'm going to watch that too. Guys, I remember saying that I'm going to do a haul, clothing haul. I didn't do it again because I was so busy. I didn't later do the haul. But hopefully January we're going to do the haul before we start because we are starting 2026 stronger and better. So yeah, I'm going to do that January when I finally get home. And I just wanted to put that out there in case of people that are waiting for the haul. And yes, so hope you guys are doing well. Hope you spent your Christmas very well. What do you guys do during Christmas? Did people just chill at home? Well, people went out. Some people went for clubbing. Some people did things. But we're just here chilling, chilling. So I'm going to just edit this vlog now, and um, I'm going to edit the vlog now and watch Stranger Things, sleep, and go out. And next week's vlog is actually going to be starting today when I shower and I'm out. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you reached to this point. Thank you so much for watching. Share to your friends or anybody that you know that like watching YouTube. And see you next week. Mwah.